Guys, welcome back. So I thought I'd do a quick little video, show you how the garden's doing. Just another quick little update. We're about the middle of August, and mostly it's to show you how that hornworm is doing. I know I've showed a couple videos, but it's finally happened and the wasps have broken free. Now, as for the other one, since I first discovered it, it seems like it's put on a lot more of those cocoons. So I would imagine that one's going to go here pretty soon as well. We're out here picking and harvesting what we have for fruit. We're getting a pretty good harvest here today, and I thought I'd just go over a few of the things that are doing really well for us right now. Our cherry tomatoes are blowing up, so we have a ton of these. So we're gonna start picking these all off the vine for snacks for the boys. Well, we're doing really good with the jalapenos, and we wanna whip up some salsa with what we have for the tomatoes that we harvested. So I'm gonna grab a couple jalapenos. Our pepper area seems to be our pepper area is exploding. We got a bunch of real big ones in there. We're just waiting for them to turn colors, so those are not ready to harvest. We've gotten most of our banana peppers off, so there isn't much to harvest here. And all the rest of the peppers, we're just waiting for them to turn colors. This is our hot peppers. You can see they've absolutely exploded. We're finally starting to get some yellows down here for the Scotch bonnet. We've already harvested a couple reds. The one I'm most excited for are these are Carolina Reapers. We got quite a few of them hidden inside here, ready that, just waiting for them to become ready. And the thing that we look like we're gonna have an abundance of are cayenne, because we have a plant, I think 3 or 4 plants in here and then another one over here. So we're gonna have a ridiculous amount of these to make red pepper flakes. And these guys I'm pretty excited about. These are our mortgage lifter tomatoes. You can see they're the size of my fist, and they're just starting to turn slightly tint of orange. So we still have some time before these are gonna be ready, but they're gonna be massive. We don't have any rot or any problems with them, so they're doing great, and they're gonna be huge. We got a couple watermelon that are coming in. We got one down there, one up here, a couple cantaloupe. I think we're up to like 4 cantaloupe. More zucchini, squash starting to come in. We've already harvested all of our cucumbers. I just saw this Tigger melon in here, hidden underneath the trellis, hanging. We got another couple coming up here as well. Now, one of the cool sights that we've got going on for us is this. This is our bean trellis. And you can see we have an overabundance of beans. We've been coming out here and picking them and eating them almost every single day this week. Our potatoes are starting to wither, so in the next coming weeks, we're gonna have to start harvesting these as well. Now there's an interesting setup that we'll get into in next week's video. We'll make sure everything works well, but we have a little setup here. Everything's been pulled towards the center because we have our sprinkler system right here in the center, and that's how we're doing our watering in the morning. And I'll go over that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna head inside, try to make everything that I've got and start preparing for lunch and get things ready for dinner. If you guys have any questions or comments or want to see anything else, please let me know in the comments section. As always, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.